Do you know that you can change your life in just 4 minutes? Today, we'll explore a powerful method that harnesses the principles of manifestation, enabling you to turn your deepest desires into reality. This isn't about wishful thinking, it's about structured, focused intent. In just the time it takes to make a cup of tea, you can begin a practice that might very well transform your reality. Manifestation is the art of bringing your thoughts and desires into the physical world through focused intention and belief. It is grounded in the principle that everything in your life can be influenced by your mental and emotional state. This concept might seem abstract at first, but it is supported by countless anecdotal evidence and psychological theories that suggest our thoughts do have power. At its core, manifestation is about clarity and creation. To manifest effectively, you need to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve. This clarity isn't just about knowing the outcome but also understanding why you want it and how it will impact your life. The clearer your vision, the more likely you are to realize it. Next, let's talk about the foundational principles that make manifestation possible. These are not just steps to follow but are the pillars on which successful manifestation rests. Belief: you must believe in the possibility of achieving what you're focusing on. This belief isn't blind optimism but a confident assurance that what you are seeking is within the realm of possibility. Visualization: the ability to see what you want to achieve in your mind's eye, in as much detail as possible, is crucial. This isn't daydreaming but a focused, purposeful exercise where you construct and hold on to the visual and emotional details of your desired outcome. Emotional alignment: your emotions are powerful frequencies that can attract corresponding events into your life. By aligning your emotional state with your desires, you energize your intentions, propelling them into the universe. Understanding these principles sets the stage for the method we will discuss, which compresses the essence of manifestation into a concise, 4-minute practice. The first step in any manifestation process is preparing your mind. This involves achieving a state of mental clarity where doubts and conflicting desires are cleared away. Mental clutter can be a major blockade to manifestation, as mixed signals can dilute or misdirect the energy you're trying to channel. Mental clarity is achieved through practices like meditation, where you learn to quiet the noise and focus on singular thoughts. It's important during these moments to practice mindfulness, being fully present in the moment, aware of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. This helps in recognizing and gently setting aside the mental patterns that may hinder your manifestation efforts. Your belief system plays a critical role in this stage. It's not enough to want something, you must believe that it's achievable. This belief should be nurtured and strengthened. Affirmations can be particularly useful here. These are positive, present-tense statements that reinforce your belief and readiness to receive your desires. Phrases like, "I am capable of achieving my goals," or "I am worthy of positive changes in my life," are simple yet powerful tools that fortify your mental state and prepare you for effective manifestation. Imagine having the power to change your life in just 4 minutes. This guide will introduce you to a straightforward yet profound method to turn your aspirations into reality. We're not looking into magic or miracles but a practical application of focused intention and belief. In the time it takes to brew a cup of coffee, you can start shaping your destiny. Let's uncover how you can harness this method to create the life you've always wanted, step by step. Moving forward, let's dive into the practical steps of the 4-minute method, designed to concentrate your manifestation efforts into a brief but potent period. This method is about maximizing efficiency, making every second count. Start the first minute by setting your clear intention. This is where you define what you want to manifest. State your intention silently to yourself, being as specific as possible. For example, instead of vaguely desiring happiness, focus on what specifically brings you joy. The key here is precision. The more detailed your intention, the better. In the second minute, transition to visualizing your intention. Here, you craft a vivid mental image of your desired outcome. See yourself living out the result. Where are you? What are you doing? How do you feel? This visualization should be rich with details, engaging all your senses to enhance its realness. The effectiveness of this step lies in your ability to immerse yourself fully in the experience created in your mind. The third minute is crucial. It's about connecting emotionally to your visualization. This isn't merely about seeing the outcome, it's about feeling it as if it's happening right now. Engage your emotions to feel the joy, pride, or fulfillment that comes with achieving your goal. This emotional engagement is what charges your intention with the energy needed to bring it to life. In the final minute, let go of your intention. This might seem counterintuitive, but releasing your desire into the universe signifies trust in the process. Detach from the outcome and maintain a sense of calm and acceptance. This step is essential as it prevents the buildup of anxiety and attachment, which can counteract the manifestation process. By compressing these steps into 4 minutes, you create a powerful, daily manifestation routine that is both manageable and effective. It's about quality, not quantity, and these focused minutes are packed with intentional, purposeful energy. To maximize the effectiveness of your 4-minute manifestation method, consider these practical tips. First, ensure consistency by practicing daily. Regular engagement strengthens your manifestation skills and builds momentum. Choose a quiet environment for your practice to minimize distractions and deepen your focus. Begin each session with a few moments of mindfulness to center your thoughts and emotions, ensuring your mind is fully present. Reflect on the experience to identify any adjustments that could enhance future practices. This not only improves the method but also reinforces your commitment to your manifestation journey. These steps are designed to make each 4-minute session a powerful building block toward achieving your desires. While we continue to refine the art of manifestation, the second part of our method focuses on enhancing your visualization techniques. Visualization is not merely daydreaming, it's a strategic practice that involves picturing your desired outcome in the most vivid detail possible. This practice is critical because the subconscious mind responds strongly to images and emotions. Begin by defining every aspect of your goal. If your intention is to improve your living situation, picture the exact environment you want to inhabit. See the colors, the layout, the sunlight filtering through the windows. Imagine the textures and the sounds around you. The more detailed your visualization, the more tangible it becomes in your mind, which enhances your belief that it is achievable. This clarity not only helps in crafting a precise image but also aids in maintaining focus during your 4-minute manifestation practice. Each detail adds weight and realism to your mental creation, making it more likely to materialize in your life. The next crucial step is emotional alignment. This technique involves aligning your emotional state with the outcome you are visualizing. It is not enough to simply see what you want, you must feel it as if it's already yours. This emotional connection is what powers the manifestation process, acting as a magnet for your desires. During your visualization, cultivate feelings of joy, satisfaction, or gratitude that would accompany your success. These positive emotions signal to the universe that you are ready and open to receive. They also counteract any doubts or negative feelings that may arise, keeping your energy focused and aligned with your intentions. It's helpful to maintain this emotional state not just during your visualization but as often as possible throughout your day. The more you embody the emotions associated with your desired outcomes, the more you enhance your ability to attract those outcomes into your life. Remember, manifestation is not just an act, it's a state of being. By living in the emotional end state of your desires, you turn your life into a fertile ground for your dreams to take root and grow. While you engage more deeply with the manifestation process, you may encounter mental and emotional blockages. Doubts and skepticism are common barriers that can arise, particularly when you're new to practicing manifestation or when your goals feel particularly ambitious. Overcoming these doubts is crucial for maintaining a clear pathway for your desires to manifest. The first step in overcoming these doubts is to acknowledge them. Ignoring your doubts does not make them disappear. Instead, addressing them directly can diminish their power. Practice self-awareness by monitoring your thoughts regularly. When a negative thought arises, challenge it by asking yourself whether it is based on fact or fear. This practice helps in distinguishing irrational fears from genuine concerns, which you can address constructively. Once identified, counteract these negative thoughts with affirmations. For instance, if you doubt your worthiness to achieve a goal, affirm to yourself, "I am deserving of my desires." Affirmations reinforce positive beliefs and support a mindset conducive to manifestation. They work best when repeated regularly and believed sincerely, so integrate them into your daily routine for maximum effect. Patience and persistence play pivotal roles in the art of manifestation. While the 4-minute method is designed to make your practice efficient, the results still require time to materialize. It is important to understand that manifestation is not instant. The physical manifestation of your desires might unfold over days, months, or even years, depending on various factors, including the nature of your goal and the alignment of your personal readiness with that goal. Maintaining persistence in your practice is equally important. Regular engagement with the 4-minute method helps to keep your energy and intentions focused. It builds and maintains the momentum necessary to bring your desires into reality. Persistence ensures that your manifestation practice becomes a stable and integral part of your daily life, rather than a sporadic attempt. Cultivate patience by celebrating small signs of progress. These might not always be direct results but can be subtle shifts in your circumstances or mindset that indicate your manifestation is in process. Recognizing and appreciating these small victories can motivate you to continue your practice during times of doubt or delay. For long-term aspirations, the 4-minute method serves as a consistent reinforcement of your intentions and desires. Whether you're aiming for career advancement, significant personal development, or achieving a major life milestone, daily engagement with this practice helps to keep your goals clear and your motivation strong. It's crucial to segment your long-term goals into manageable parts and use the 4-minute method to focus on these smaller, incremental objectives. This approach helps maintain a sense of progress and manageability, avoiding the overwhelm that can accompany the pursuit of a large goal. Moreover, integrating regular reviews of your long-term goals into your manifestation practice can be beneficial. Every few months, take some time to reflect on your progress, reassess your objectives, and adjust your focus if necessary. This periodic review ensures that your efforts remain aligned with your evolving priorities and the realities of your life's journey. Once you become comfortable with the basic 4-minute method and start seeing results, you might consider integrating advanced techniques to enhance your practice further. These techniques are designed to deepen your manifestation abilities and refine your approach to aligning with your desires more effectively. One such technique is the incorporation of meditation into your manifestation process. Before starting your 4-minute manifestation routine, dedicate a few minutes to meditate. Meditation helps to clear your mind, settle your emotions, and create a fertile ground for planting the seeds of your desires. It enhances focus and deepens your connection to your inner self, providing a stronger base from which to manifest. Mastering the 4-minute manifestation method can significantly enhance your ability to bring your desires into reality. Remember, the journey of manifestation is ongoing, and persistence is key. If this video has inspired you or helped refine your manifestation practices, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated.